239 species in genus Clerodendrum. July 19th. Clerodendrum, the gloroboer, defines July 19th. Clerodendrum symbolizes passion and creativity. You are deeply inspired and inspire others in turn. Like its vibrant flowers, you bring energy and life to every moment. Clerodendrum, a floral fascination. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant beauty of the natural world. Among the countless wonders of the plant kingdom, the genus Clerodendrum holds a special place in my heart. These flowering plants, with their diverse forms and striking blossoms, have captivated me with their unique charm. Clerodendrum, a member of the mint family, Lamiaceae, encompasses a vast array of species, each boasting its own distinct characteristics. From shrubs and trees to climbers and herbaceous perennials, the genus showcases an impressive range of growth habits. This diversity is further amplified by the stunning variety of flower shapes and colors, making Clerodendrum a favorite among gardeners and botanists alike. A world of variety. The genus Clerodendrum is widely distributed across the globe, with a majority of species concentrated in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Africa. This geographical diversity contributes to the remarkable variation within the genus. Some species are deciduous, shedding their leaves seasonally, while others remain evergreen throughout the year. The leaves themselves can differ significantly in size, shape, and texture, adding another layer of intrigue to these fascinating plants. But it is the flowers that truly steal the show. Clerodendrum blossoms come in a kaleidoscope of colors, ranging from pure white and delicate pinks to fiery reds and deep purples. The flower shapes are equally diverse, with some species exhibiting tubular or bell-shaped blooms, while others feature flat, spreading petals. Many Clerodendrum species are also known for their fragrance, filling the air with sweet and alluring scents. Noteworthy species. The genus Clerodendrum encompasses hundreds of species, each with its own unique beauty and appeal. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My personal connection. My fascination with Clerodendrum stems from a childhood memory. I vividly recall visiting my grandmother's garden, where a magnificent Clerodendrum thomsonii vine adorned a trellis. The vibrant red and white flowers cascading down the structure left an indelible mark on my young mind. Since then, I have been captivated by the beauty and diversity of this remarkable genus. Over the years, I have cultivated several Clerodendrum species in my own garden, each one bringing me joy and a sense of connection to nature. The delicate fragrance, the vibrant colors, and the intricate flower structures never cease to amaze me. I find myself drawn to their resilience and adaptability, thriving in a variety of conditions. A symbol of beauty and resilience. For me, Clerodendrum represents more than just a beautiful flower. It symbolizes the resilience and adaptability of nature, thriving in diverse environments and captivating with its unique charm. It reminds me of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of appreciating the natural world around us. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or simply an admirer of nature's beauty, I encourage you to explore the fascinating world of Clerodendrum. These remarkable plants offer a wealth of diversity and charm, sure to captivate your senses and inspire a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the plant kingdom.